Hey, sweetie. I got you something for Valentine's Day. Here's the card. Here's the box. Isn't it cool? Tell me that's not cool.
Mm-hmm. So whenever you first open the box, you see the whole I love you forever, and you see the rose. The rose is actually a real preserved rose, and it'll stay preserved for 2 to 4 years, I believe. And whenever you pull out this little drawer, there's little lights around it that glow. And inside the drawer is the necklace. And inside the necklace it says I love you in multiple languages. See? It's a really pretty necklace too. Here's what it looks like on me. And if you can't see the words in the necklace, there's a little reflector thingy in the back. Just put some light behind it, and you should be able to see the words. And then you can just use this as a little jewelry box or whatever. Yeah, the drawer triggers the lights. You can just use it as a little jewelry box. You can really use it for whatever you want, but yeah. Hope this review helps you.